So I got into the industry when I was little. My dad always took me to work. We are a windshield replacement company. A lot of people don't realize, but a windshield is a big part of the structural integrity of the vehicle. There's a big problem that we have in our industry, which is the adhesive can separate from the pinch weld, or it could also separate from the glass. So I create a lot of safety videos on TikTok, YouTube, as well as making a lot of new posts on Pinterest. I really like making sure that all my customers are up to date with the knowledge that we possess. We want to make sure we share it with them. One of the things that I love about Sika products is that they have so many different variations of chemicals that you can use to properly apply towards the body and the glass to make sure you have a proper installation. They back up everything. They have crash tests. They have safety videos. They have so much information that actually is there for consumers and as well as technicians like ourselves. We have always used Sika products, and now we're using the best product out there, which is Sika Ultimate. It is a 30-minute minimum driver wait time adhesive. The good thing about it, it's primerless to glass. You apply it onto the body or you apply it onto the glass, and you're able to install it right away. You just wait your 30 minutes for it to cure, and then you're able to release the vehicle to the customer. I stay strictly to the Sika products because I know it's been tested and certified. To anyone, to everyone, whether you're a small family business or a large corporation that's international, I would strongly recommend Sika Ultimate to them.